Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the interaction legal and safe, confirm local rules, and plan minimal handling. Once done, prepare a 1,4 white sugar solution and let it cool to room temperature. Hummingbirds prefer that concentration and temperature. Make sure to sit in a shaded, quiet spot with an open palm 1-2 feet from the feeder. Hold still and breathe slowly so the bird sees no sudden movement. This first calm exposure sets the foundation for trust. You continue by introducing feeding from your hand. Dip a fingertip or tiny dish in nectar and present it flat and level. Once the bird approaches, stay motionless. Hummingbirds read micro-movements, so slow, steady hands are crucial. Do short, consistent sessions of 5-10 minutes at the same time daily to build predictable routine and reduce stress. When the bird lands, support it from below, never pinch or grab. This controlled repetition teaches the bird you are a safe, reliable presence. You finish by gradually increasing contact length while respecting limits. Add a minute or two each successful session and monitor for stress cues like rapid wing flicks or a tucked posture. Make hygiene a habit. Wash hands before sessions, replace nectar every 48 hours, and fully clean feeders regularly to prevent mold. If the bird panics or refuses, step back immediately. Give 24 to 72 hours of no contact and have future session length. That pause and reduction recalibrates trust without forcing interaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.